Howdy folks, Chuck here, Why Not Wander. Out of the hospital at daughter Cindy's house. This is our makeshift infirmary. I got a bed, I got a computer, I got an ice machine, I got all November 22nd. Clock on the wall says about 10 to 1. We haven't done dinner yet, but I got the little wheeled walker. I'm feeling good enough. I'm going to go outside and go for a little walk here. I think Miss Linda's going to come with me. And maybe video me a little bit here, but we'll see.
I'll come with you.
All right.
You want me to man the camera?
Yeah, please. Just go out there and picture me coming down the steps. It's about showing how I'm doing in my recovery from this second knee operation. I'm managing bad leg. Okay, while you're right there, come a little closer.
Okay.
Here's the knee they replaced 2 days ago. Day before yesterday was my surgery, 7 a.m.
What's the aspect ratio on this?
So,
How far away should it be?
Oh, it's pretty good. You can bring it in close. It's
Okay, cool.
it should be good. We're just going to go for a little walk. Got grandson Devin running the camera here.
How's it going?
For this walker from my stepdad. He's got 3 of them down there in Arkansas, so we're just going to go for a little walk here. I'm going to try and make it down to the corner and back. It's just a matter of exercising that new knee. And they told me to be sure I walk heel toe, stretch the leg out a little bit, so leg goes forward, walk through it. I'm not fast yet, but got to get a little knee bend on it. It's not good for a lot yet. I can bend it maybe 50-60 degrees right now so far. So we're getting ready to have dinner. I just wanted to come out and get a little exercise. The more I can get in the first few days, the more it seems to free up in later days. I start physical therapy tomorrow morning. I kind of know what I'm going to be dealing with it because I did the same thing a couple months ago. We had the knee operation late in August. I was in physical therapy the first few weeks of September. This time we're going to be hitting the last week of August, first few weeks, or November, first few weeks of December. So, anyway, I think I'm progressing. I think I'm about a week. It's still a little unstable if you see me wobble a little bit. That's why we have the walker. Just turn around here, Devin, and head back the other way.
Sounds like a great idea to me.
Here's Linda.
I was trying to, I think I need you to turn around the other way to get the sun on your face.
Okay.
There, right about like that'll be fine. Devin, you should stand over there next one.
Yeah.
It's
Take a
okay,
picture of her
Eva.
taking a picture of us.
You can see my shadow. How fun. There, okay.
So,
I think it's amazing that we're only 2 days post-op. And Devin, you're going to get elected to drive
yeah.
me
I
home.
think I was just saying, I think about a week ahead of where I was last time.
In the event that I
Last
have
time I was pretty much bedridden for the first 2-3 days.
Yeah.
I could get up and make the kitchen, have breakfast, but that was about it.
They say that 3 days, the third day post-op is like one of the hardest days, and that'll be tomorrow.
It'll be tomorrow.
So we'll see,
I'm
but
feeling so much better today compared to
last
the second day
time,
post-op last time. I can't talk any better, but I'm feeling a lot better.
well, you look a lot better. Last time he was a lot more, what do I want to say, drained. His face was paler. Let me get in front of you so we can just watch you from the front.
Well, I
And
think with all the exercise
your job's
we
to
were
make
doing
sure I don't hit
post-op
something and
last
break my
time,
leg.
both my legs are maybe a little
You want, I
stronger
can
than
do
they
that.
were going in.
Yeah.
So this time I'm able to do a little bit more starting out. Is that an iWatch?
Yeah.
Cool.
We can walkie-talkie each other.
Yes, I've been looking for somebody to try that out with. Nobody either has an Apple Watch or it's updated to iOS 5.
There's a guy that I work with that does that, and we will walkie-talkie
Let's
like
go ahead and go back on the porch.
secret
step and let me
agent
approach.
man.
Okay.
Okay. You stay with him. One of us has to stay with him.
Oh, I'm fine.
I know that. Devin, you just stay close behind him. Okay? In the event that he stumbles, seriously. Well, he seems to think that he's a little bit more, I mean, he's doing great, don't get me wrong. And I do believe that he's doing better because of the exercises he's done, getting the first one. And so I do think he's doing really well, and I do think that this is going to be a shorter recovery. And I really have to say that I wanted to come home sooner because I'm finding this time for me much harder being alone at the motorhome. I'm so used to having him.
My leg was just a little bit better shape after.
And I miss
riding on
him.
leg strength for 2 legs for a while. So far, so good. So, day 3 of the knee ordeal. Total knee arthroplasty on my left leg,
I call it a knee install.
which either one is accurate. One's a medical term, one is not. We're still to the point where I have to think about steps coming up. Get the walker up. And I have to remember to raise my good leg first because it has to lift me. Okay. And the same thing for the second step. Makes it relatively easy.
Digging those socks.
Yeah. They gave me some nice yellow socks. That go
Nice
down
and
very well
bright.
with my Harley pants.
All right.
Where do you keep the batteries in those things?
Oops, wrong leg, gotta remember.
There you go.
Okay, so day 3, knee operation, successful. Back in the house, getting ready for dinner. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.